The coast region remains on high alert after 2 cases from the region tested positive for COVID-19. Leaders are now proposing drastic measures in a bid to contain the spread of the virus. Kevin Mutai also reports that health officials are preparing to conduct thorough screening in Kilifi and Kwale counties.
A day after the government announced that 2 patients from Kwale and Kilifi counties tested positive for COVID-19, public health officials are in a rush against time in tracing and quarantining those who came into contact with them. Reports are also emerging that no less than 10 police officers from Mtwapa police station are currently in isolation after one of them came into contact with Kilifi Deputy Governor Gideon Saburi. Several leaders, as well as Saburi's aide, are also in isolation as health officials rush to contain the spread of the virus. Surveillance has also been enhanced at all points of entry. An Ethiopian Airlines flight landed in Mombasa, and it took several hours for passengers to be screened before being referred to a government facility for more observation. Leaders here are now calling for drastic measures.
Why did Wuhan beat the virus? Again, journalists report 0. Why? Why? It's very simple. A total shut down.
The county's inspectorate department received information that there was another individual who jetted back into the country and had disobeyed the mandatory 14 days of self-quarantine. The operation to arrest him was later called off on grounds that there was no public health officer at the moment. Now residents are calling for caution.
Kimambiwa tukae kwa nyumba, nitabidi tufuate hiyo sheria. Jua hakuna namna nyingine ya kujikinga. Na hiyo ugonjwa haina tiba na vile kila mtu yajua.
Toka jana ambao tuliposikia habari ya kwamba naibu gavana wa Kilifi aliweza kutembea katika eneo hili na sahihi hofu imeingia mpaka dakika hii biashara imefungwa.
Despite the government's call for social distancing, residents however seem to be reluctant in instituting the measures, but the authorities have vowed to painfully enforce the regulations as the fight against the spread of the virus intensifies. Kevin Mutai, NTV, Mombasa.